biggest rug we've ever cleaned. So if we were to clean your rug in your home, we would do just as good of a job as if we were cleaning your wall-to-wall carpet. We would pre-spray the rug, we can scrub the rug if you want, we can do a urine treatment if you want, both of which are optional services, and then we would steam clean it. But there's a couple things that we could do at our shop that are a little bit different that we can only do at our shop, and I'm about to show you guys the difference between the two. So let's check it out. So we just cleaned it the in-home way. Yes, there was a difference, but hopefully we're going to see a bigger difference when we clean it the way we clean it in our shop. So we're going to pre-treat the rug again. Because I already have everything dragged out, we're just going to use the pre-sprayer that we just used, but we're absolutely going to soak this rug in our pre-treatment, and we're going to scrub it with our Orbot 5, and then we're going to let it sit for a little while we go do another job about 5 minutes down the road. It's a barber shop. We're going to clean their dryer vents. They do a lot of towels in their dryer. Then when we come back, we're going to clean it the rest of the way and show you guys the results.
Purchase your tracks today.
Giving me good time, and all I wanna do is make it better. I can never tell you that I did love you now, and no other love can compare to you.
we gave it enough dwell time when we went to the barber shop to clean those dryer vents, and then when we came back, I cleaned it with my truck-mounted equipment again, just like we do an in-home, but of course, it's the best stuff we got, so we have to use it here as well, especially to pull out as much moisture as possible before we set up the drying equipment to make sure it dries in a reasonable amount of time. Then tomorrow morning when I come back to you guys, I'm going to encapsulate the rug to make sure it shines bright like a diamond. So let's go check out what we got going on.